Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the new chess course on Duolingo. Whether you're a total grandmaster or you've never even touched a board, the setup is actually pretty smooth. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get started. We are on the home screen and we're going to open up Duolingo. Once you're in, just tap on the course icon at the top left. You'll see the option to add a new course, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll find the new chess section right there between music and math. Let's go ahead and select chess. Now, the app is going to ask about your experience level. For this first run, let's assume we are starting from the very beginning. So we'll select I'm a total beginner. From here, you have two choices. We're going to go with start from scratch, which is basically the best way to see the fundamental lessons. Duo gives us a little pep talk, and then we're straight into Unit 1. The first puzzle introduces the rook. It explains that the rook moves in straight lines, and the goal is simply to capture the stars on the board. You just tap the rook and slide it up to grab that first star, then move it over to the left for the second one. Perfect. The lessons keep it interactive, showing you how the pieces move step by step. It even gives you a little trivia like how the rook looks like a castle tower, right? Now, let's see what happens if we change our mind or want a bigger challenge. We're jumping back to the level selection screen. This time, instead of being a beginner, let's say we have some experience. We'll select an ELO rating of 500 to 800. Notice how the options change. Now, instead of basic movement, Duolingo recommends we play a chess match to test our skills. After hitting continue, we are introduced to Oscar, our first adaptive bot. The board opens up and we can immediately start playing a real game. We'll open with a pawn move to the center and Oscar responds instantly. It's a much faster way to dive in if you already know the ropes. And that's basically it. You're all set to start climbing the ranks and earning that XP. If this helped you out, definitely let me know and I'll see you in the next one. Happy playing!